Today we are making a delicious recipe. It's a zucchini with feta cheese, tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese. It's a delicious recipe. I really enjoy eating it. That's the reason why I want to share the recipe with you. The first thing you do, you take the zucchini, you wash it, you slice it right in the middle, you put some stripes, then you take some olive oil and you brush it right on the top of the zucchini, put it in an air fryer, 370, 10 minutes. Then you pull out the zucchini, you put a little more olive oil on it. For me, it's important to cook the zucchini well because more you cook the zucchini, it becomes sweeter and it's easier for your body to digest. You put it back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. Now I take some crumbled feta cheese, I put it on the top of the zucchini, put some tomato sauce, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. I didn't use any salt because the Parmesan cheese is salty enough. I put the zucchini in the air fryer. I cooked it for 5 more minutes and it's ready. Better ingredients we put in our bodies work better. Your body really appreciates good ingredients. My gift and talent is to make food that tastes good and is good for you. The things you're not going to find in my kitchen are white flour, sugar, or bad fats.